We are here in Brussels to this important business summit. Which are the measures to attract investments here for Canada? Give us some.
Sure. So we're here participating this year in the European Business Summit. That's a very important priority for Canada this year with the ratification of CETA and hopefully its entry into force in early 2017 coming in place. So we've decided to have a significant presence this year to highlight the investment opportunities, to highlight the business climate and the attractiveness of doing business in Canada. For example, Canada is always renowned to be one of the leaders in the G7 in the business environment and business climate. And we wanted to convey that message to the business community here in Brussels at a pan-European level.
There are a lot of measures that you are proposing to investors. Can you tell us some of them to attract investors in different?
We always like to say we're one of the most cost-competitive environments in the G7 in terms of the attractiveness of solicitation of investors into the Canadian context. So those are some of the key things that we're saying to the business community here. Obviously, beyond that, with CETA coming into force in next year, once we get through the ratification process, it's really an incredible opportunity for European investors who are thinking about establishing a presence in North America to have that opportunity, to have the tariff advantages, to have the facilitated environment that we've done through regulatory cooperation, through labor mobility provisions, through the general incentives that the CETA agreement will put in place to facilitate a business entry into North America. So this is a really wonderful opportunity for European business to think about Canada, to think about investment as a platform to the North American market as well.
Which are the sectors you are pushing on more? Because in Canada we have different.
Well, generally, we're open to investment in all sectors, and it's not limited to one particular area or not. I think for Canada, we often look at, with our new government trying to have clean technology, green tech. Those are very important priorities for the new government. But beyond that, of course, across the manufacturing platform. So it's not simply limited to clean tech and green technologies, but across the spectrum. So Canada's an open market. Canada's a market where we're open to business, open to investment, and open to attracting that from a European perspective.
Which are the measures that you would like to highlight about taxation?
So for Canada, if you look at some of the statistics, within the G7, we have the lowest effective marginal tax rates on business investment in the G7. We're about 17% lower than that of the United States, which is quite remarkable. So from an investment facilitation standpoint, if your marginal tax rates are lower than those in your neighbors to the south, what a great opportunity for a business who's thinking about establishing a presence in the North American market to do so in Canada. And then again, as we mentioned before, with the benefits of CETA coming into place next year, that's an additional incentive for business to think about Canada from an investment perspective. Also, just from a research and development perspective, we also offer the lowest business costs in the G7 for R&D as well. We have a 15.8% cost advantage over the United States. So quite important for an entrepreneur, for somebody who's trying to establish a company from an R&D perspective as well. So quite significant incentives from an investment perspective to think about Canada and to think about the advantage that we have. Other things I would point to as well is our skilled workforce. Canada has a remarkable skilled workforce domestically, and to take advantage of that and to take advantage of the incredible talent that we have domestically, again, for a European investor, for somebody thinking about the Canadian advantage, what another remarkable advantage for us.
Thank you so much.
You're so welcome. It's a pleasure for me to do this for you.